Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide photos on Instagram without deleting. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application and then at the bottom right click on your profile image button. Here it is. After that, if you want to hide some photo, you need to click on that one, post, and then at the top right click on the three dots button right up here. Then you will see this interface. You need to click on archive button right up here. And then as you can see, this photo removed from my profile. That means that no one will be able to see my photo. But if you want to restore this photo, all you need to do is to click on the three lines at the top right. And then find archive button. Here it is. Then you will see your photo. If you can't see your post, you need to click on post archive at the top right, or maybe stories archive at the top right if you see this interface, and then choose post archive again, and then you will see your archived post. You need to click on that one, post, then click on the three dots button at the top right again, and then click on show on profile button. After that, this photo will be removed from post archive. You need to go back to your profile and then your post will be restored. So, and that's all, and that's how to hide photos on Instagram without deleting. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.